This authentic Irish soda bread with golden raisins is a classic, super easy to make quick bread for St. Patrick's Day, or any day you're craving warm bread from the oven that's simple to make. Buttermilk creates a soft and tender inside with a hint of sweetness from golden raisins. It's utterly delicious. Ingredients: 4 cups all-purpose flour plus more for surface. 4 tablespoons granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon salt. Half a cup butter cubed. 1 cup golden raisins. 1½ cup buttermilk plus more for brushing on top. 1 large egg. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a seasoned 10 to 12-inch cast iron skillet or line a baking sheet with parchment. You can also use a 9-10-inch cake pan or even an uncovered Dutch oven. 2. In a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Cut the butter into the flour with a pastry cutter, a fork, or your fingers until the butter is in pea-sized crumbs. Stir in the golden raisins. 3. In a separate bowl, whisk together the buttermilk and the egg. Add to the flour mixture and stir until crumbly but loosely combined. 4. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. The dough will be crumbly. Flour your hands or use a bench scraper and fold the dough in half several times, kneading slightly until it comes together. Be careful not to overknead the dough, just enough to be able to form it. Add additional flour or buttermilk as needed. Shape the dough into a round and place it in the skillet or baking sheet. 5. Using a sharp knife, cut a 1/2 inch deep cross or X into the top of the dough and brush with additional buttermilk for a golden, shiny top. 6. Bake for 45 to 55 minutes or until the bread is golden and the center appears baked through. If the top of the bread browns too quickly, loosely tent foil over the top. 7. Remove from the oven and let cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring to a rack. Serve warm, at room temperature, or toasted if you're lucky enough to have leftovers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.